Hi friends, today topic is table. In Power BI, in visualizations, there is a table. We double click, it displays on the Power BI desktop. So here. So what is table? A table is a grid that contains a related data in a logical series of rows and columns. It may also contain headers and rows of a table. Tables work well with the quantity comparisons that looking at many values for a single category. A table in Power BI is a network that contains a related information in a sensible arrangement of lines and segments. Tables can also create a new calculated data modeling in a Power BI. Tables are a great choice to display data in a tabular format. So we should enter the data in a table chat. So here get data, Excel. So here is a sample data. Open it. So here is a table. Click on it. The table is here and load. So here the table here, the data, and select the item, unit cost, units, total, region, and order date. Here it is. We can see our data. It displays here.